I'm going to show you how to stop background apps on iPhone, basically running apps on your iPhone that you're not really using. It's easy just to shut these off. So the first thing we could do is once you're on your home screen here on your iPhone, go ahead and swipe from the bottom and you'll find that apps are just automatically open. We can go through and just shut these down by swiping up and it's going to close those apps. Another thing we can do is go to our settings and you want to scroll down until you find general and then scroll down until you find background app refresh. What this kind of shows you is that all the apps that are currently on that are refreshing in the background, even if you're not using them. So one thing we could do is go to where it says background app refresh, and we can choose either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data, or you can go ahead and just turn it off completely. Once you do that, as you see, all the apps are turned off and it's going to stop all those apps from refreshing in the background. If we were to go back and let's just put this on Wi-Fi for a quick second, we can go through and just go ahead and just start to turn these off manually so that these are not running in the background, because this is going to take up a lot of your data, drain your battery a little bit more. So that's pretty much it. It's super simple and super easy to go ahead and turn these background apps off, and that's it.